In the aftermath of Bitcoin's fourth halving, Avalanche has shown robust performance, achieving a 37% gain from its previously established target. Presently, AVAX is positioned for further appreciation, potentially increasing by 6% to 10%, driven by multiple bullish signals and solid support around $33.30. This upswing is underpinned by technical indicators like the Relative Strength Index and Moving Average Convergence Divergence, both suggesting rising momentum. If this trend continues, AVAX could surpass the $40.03 level, reaching up to $42.74, before possibly targeting a 30% increase to $50.81. However, a dip below $20.34 would negate this optimistic outlook, signaling a potential downward correction.